Hello, my good people. Today I want to show you a trade in which I placed some hours ago. That is like 24 hours. Within 24 hours, we have realized a very great movement here, which is giving $121, $121 from this volatility of 75 per second on dairy trading. So it's very clear. You can see I had drawn lines here from the time I entered the market. Let me minimize it to the chart to 15 minutes candle. So you're able to change the candlestick, and then you can see from the 15-minute candle where I've drawn this purple line is where I entered the market to a buy of 0.29 margin. You check here, you can see we have used only a margin of 0.56, but we are able to make this amount of dollars, 123, 122 from 120. So I've drawn these lines, see several lines drawn here. So the graph went up to this is the highest point the graph has gone so far. So you can see from this highest point, the graph is just showing a small downstroke movement. But if you check keenly at 15-minute candle, it's just moving sideways on your right. So if I maximize it to 5-minute candle, so I usually place my trends using the 5-minute candle, because on some of my other videos I said that a 5-minute candle is very stronger than 1-minute candle when making a prediction. So it gives you a good precision for your prediction. So you can see the graph moved to the highest point, which is marked on the graph. So the best, another thing which is very nice on this platform of Deriv, it shows you, it is able to show you the highest point which has been attained by the graph or the trend. So this is a nice update. And then if you check now, the graph is just showing a sideways movement. There's no a big downstroke. So it's very interesting. So if you want to join Deriv, you can Google or get a request for a link on my comment section. Then I'll send it to you. So, or you have another trusted broker, but I prefer this platform because I've told you it will show you the highest and the lowest attained points. So if you get the highest point, you can wait for a market. You can give it like 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Then you'll be able to see whether the graph is going down again or the graph continues to go up to form another new highest point. So the probability of that, this is the highest point, it gives you a good prediction of a drop down. When it reaches the highest point, it usually goes to drop down. As I had shown on the previous 15-minute candle, you saw where I entered the market, it was the lowest point, and it has shown, it has proved us correctly that it will just go up from the lowest point again to target of the highest point. Then it changes movement. So and another thing you should bear in mind, that you should not enter the market uh, when we have a sideways movement. A sideways movement will just show you it has almost same highs and same lows, same margin of highs and same margin of loss. I mean, you will find that the crests have almost same distance as the troughs. If you did if you did physics, or you know what is a wave. You know a wave as a crest and a trough. For our case, the troughs are lower lows, then our crests are high, higher. So if you draw a line as I've shown here, the green line here across, if you mark it, it will measure the distance up, the distance down, and if those distances are just showing almost similar values, you are not supposed to enter the market. But you draw a line along the troughs and also draw another line along the crest. Those two lines, if the graph breaks in line either above, you buy, and if it breaks the lower part of the trough, you just sell. So thank you for watching, and keep an eye. Then don't forget to subscribe, and then like my videos. I'm requesting, just press that button there.